Melody's pickup truck.
In about 100 feet, turn left onto 6th Avenue.
Yes, Siri, I know. I just got a vehicle today. Can you guess what manufacturer I got it from? If you said Chevrolet, you're correct.
Together, let's drive.
And I chose to get myself a pickup truck. It was very simple. My appointment was at 7:30 in the morning, so me mom and dad had to get up early. All I had to do was explain to the dealer that I was one of the people who blipped away. And then I showed him my magical ID. He approved, so then he had me pick a make and model color. Right now I'm heading to Cooper and Angela's house. I want to surprise them.
Ugh.
That's disgusting. Did you just eat that thing?
What are you, my mom? Come on, even though doing that can cause germs and bacteria, the pinky is always the perfect nose cleaner that's ever been invented.
Shut up. You better go wash your hands before you touch anything in this kitchen.
Okay, first of all, phew. Your breath really needs to deodorize.
Says the guy who picked his nose.
Oh, geez honey, stop. It smells like you just woke up. Why don't you finish making your coffee, so you could at least have it smell like that?
I mean, you picked your nose in front of me and gave me disgusting details, so I breathed on you for complaining about my halitosis.
Ha ha ha, yeah, I guess that makes us even. I am voracious. I swear I need a couple Jimmy Deans and some bacon.
I forgot about the puppies.
Boys, outside to the backyard, let's go. Well, that took care of them.
You want to get that door or not?
I'm on it. Oh hey, what's up Mel's?
There's something amazing I want to show you.
Ooh, Cooper's feeling excited. Sorry for taking so long, I had to send all the dogs in the backyard.
Yeah, I just forgot that you and Lizzie, I mean, Zoe, take turns looking after Marley and Luna's puppies. How big are they now? Dogs grow faster, you know.
Oh, they're now huge.
Didn't you mention one time that you got a female dog and puppies for Christmas, around nearly 10 years ago? I'm pretty sure Marley fell in love with them.
Yeah, but I decided to get them to another home, because the responsibility for so many dogs was getting chaotic. Keegan and Mia did the same for their multiple kittens.
So how is it now?
How's what?
The responsibility for all those dogs.
Oh, well, it's getting to be a little too much for Angela since she's pregnant. So me and Zoe are coming up with a way to give the puppies another home pretty soon. And as time goes on, Marley and Luna can go visit them at a dog park if they miss them. So, what is it you want to show me?
You see that lime green pickup truck?
Holy, Portia. Is that yours? May I touch it?
Sure you may.
Angela, come outside, you need to check this out.
Whoa. Wow. Melody sweetie, this is gorgeous. Is this a Chevy Silverado?
Yes, and it's a 2026 2500. And it's all mine.
You gotta show this to Marcus, Keegan, Daniel, Mia, and Antonio.
I plan to. Y'all wanna come for a little drive and do that?
Hell yeah.
Cool. Hop in, I've got 6 seats in here. Not in the trunk. Sorry, but it's very unsafe with no seatbelts and I do not want to get pulled over, especially on my first day driving.
Oh, alright. Better safe than sorry. Oh, would you like some Tifco logo stickers for the sides?
Yes, please.
I've got some in the garage. I'll be back in about 20 seconds.
Wow, luxury.
Holy cow. Quite splendid.
No way. It's atomic lime. Larry the Cable Guy.
Huh?
Larry the Cable Guy. He's an actor.
I never heard of him.
Oh come on, he was a voice actor for Tow Mater in the Cars movies.
Oh.
Melody, that is so amazing, sweetheart. Did you magically get a driver's license when you disappeared and then grown older?
Yeah. It's really strange. It magically gave me all of the skills to being a driver, without having any DMV appointments.
That is so generous. And the fact that it's a Chevy Silverado that just released.
Welcome to the TFCO fleet, boy.
Hey y'all, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below.
Baby Cakes, I overheard through the grapevine that you finally told all your friends the truth about your true identity.
It was finally time that I had to, because I didn't want to have people think that I was someone else forever, especially in Tifco.
That was very brave of you, honey.
And it's not like I'm closing up my career forever. I still have my outfit hanging in my wardrobe. And I would definitely like to keep this pinkish room and the pink car for fun.
Yeah, totally.